Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we finalize the no respawn scene. As you know that we don't need time for no respawn scene, so for that if you will go to nickname script, we will only make this elimination panel false if no respawn is equal to true. Okay, and then in the timer script we will create a public bool time stop, and here you can see start function. We are making the time, begin timer, we are beginning the time, and inside the time countdown we will say that if this game object is not respawn object, then only we will run the time. Okay, so this is very important, and that's it. And then we will create the else function, and in else function we will make minutes text and second text empty, okay, with these two semicolons, not semicolons, inverted commas. So that is important. In team kill count, if you will see, you can see that we can everything is good, but here in the update we will we are countdown making it to true, and then if we move on, we have the time over, and it looks good here, and that's fine. And then in the player movement we will go here and we will add the start checking equal to false bool variable, and then we will also add the game object canvas. For the canvas we will find out the canvas in the canvas with the name of canvas. So this is it, and then we will move further, and here in the fix update we will make that if player is dead is false, then a respawn panel set active false, and then if it is dead, then in this condition, if it is dead and respawn is false and game over, and no respawn is false, then we just go with the similar function. But if the no respawn is true, then we will again respawn, we can respawn, and we will also get component from display color no respawn exit. Okay, and then we will go to the photon current room player count is greater than 1. If that is greater than 1, if our players are 2 players or 3 or 4, then it will just start checking, start checking will be false, and then in and if start checking is false, then we will make start checking equal to true, and we will invoke the repeating check for winners 3, and then we will add winners, and in this function we are making that if player is only 1, so remaining player will be final player, only 1 player, and no respawn is true, then we will make canvas dot get component kill count no spawn winner, and we will get the no spawn winner function, and from this we will show the owner name and nickname to that text fields which we have created in the winner panel. Okay, and we have the enumerator respawn wait, and for this respawn wait, that is actually the same one, no need to change anything here. And this is the final setup, and now hopefully everything will in the next video we will build our game and we will test our game. That will be probably the final video of the course.